Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Jusfiani, but you can call me Fiani. I'm from Big C class and the fourth semester. In this video, I will explain about imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is type of sentence that is often used every day. You have to learn this because you will find it in many English texts. Imperative sentence itself is a sentence that is usually used to give order or comments. However, it's also often used to give order or instructions. So it's clear that imperative sentence can be defined into three categories, all of which have their respective function in English. From this understanding, there are things we must underline. Imperative sentence usually do not start with subject because the subject in the imperative sentence is clear and does not need to be raised. There are two formulas you can use when writing imperative sentence like this. First is positive, verb plus object or complement. Example of sentence is open the door. And the second formula is negative. The formula is don't plus verb plus object or complement. Example of sentence, don't go there. From some of the example above, you might be confused because some of the sentence above are using exclamation point or not. Actually, the use of exclamation points can be adjusted to your needs. For example, if you want to put emphasis on imperative sentence, then you can use an exclamation mark at and the end and of a sentence. Imperative sentence can be start or end with the word please. The word please is used so that the imperative sentence sound more polite. So make sure you understand the imperative sentence formula and use it in context. Use of imperative sentence is in daily life. As mentioned as before, the imperative sentence is often used in daily life. In everyday life, imperative sentence can be used to give order, express requests, and also express instructions. The following is the use of imperative sentence in daily life. The first is to give order directly. Imperative sentence can be used to give direct orders. Of course, we often give order directly in everyday life. Direct order can also be said directly or expressed through writing. The following is an example of an imperative of to give a direct command: clean your room. The second is to give restrictions. Imperative sentence can also be used to impose restrictions. Usually, you will find imperative sentence that contain restriction in some public place. Its function is to forbid people from doing anything. Here are some examples of imperative sentence used to impose restrictions, like don't enter. The third is to give no the direction. Imperative sentence can also be used to give direction. If you visit a country where people speak English and you don't know the direction, you can ask the resident there. They will definitely use imperative sentence to tell you where you want to go. Here is an example of using imperative sentence to tell directs. Go straight to Ulster and then turn right. Walk from about 100 meters and the department is right across the street. The fourth is to give directions. One more use is to give interaction or interactions. You are centrally familiar with the sentence commonly used to give interaction. For example, imperative sentences are used when giving interaction on the use of something. For example, when using a cell phone. I think that's all about imperative sentence from me. Last essay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.